Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a replacement Social Security card online. First, let's confirm your eligibility. To use the online service, you must be a United States citizen, 18 years of age or older, and have a United States mailing address. You will also need a valid driver's license or state identification card from one of the 50 participating states or the District of Columbia. This ensures a smooth and secure application process for your new card. Before starting your online application, gather all necessary documents. You will need proof of identity and proof of United States citizenship. For identity, a valid United States driver's license or state-issued identification card is typically required. For citizenship, a United States birth certificate or passport works well. Make sure all your documents are current and unexpired to avoid any delays in processing your request. Now, let's walk through the online application process. Head to the official Social Security Administration website. If you do not already have one, you will need to create a My Social Security account. This secure portal allows you to manage your benefits and services. Once logged in, navigate to the replacement card section and follow the clear, step-by-step prompts to accurately complete and submit your application. After successfully submitting your online application, you might be wondering what happens next. Typically, your replacement Social Security card will arrive by mail within 7 to 14 business days. The Social Security Administration will send it to the mailing address you have on file. You can also log back into your My Social Security account to check the status of your application at any time. It's a straightforward process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.